hasn't tested for soybean cyst nematode on our farm, or my dad. So why should they do that? I mean, what is the purpose?
A great question. I think, just like with our health, we like to have baseline, right? Baseline data on our health, so that when something happens, we can always compare it back to. So I would encourage anybody that doesn't know their SCN numbers to go ahead and get that baseline information. We did sampling in the spring and the fall this year of 80-acre fields, and so we had 4 composites for each field, a 20-acre composite for each field, and then we had 4 in the fall, 4 in the spring. Out of the 22 fields we did, 3 fields, there was never any SCN detected. So for those fields, it's kind of like, okay, this is your baseline, this is good. Maybe in 3 years or 4 years, you want to redo this again. But for a few fields, we had 10,000 eggs per 250 cc of soil show up in every sample. And when you get to that point, then it's like, okay, grow corn. And the farmer wasn't even aware. So getting at least some understanding, it might be frustrating because you might send 4 samples and one might be 0 and one might be 2,000 and one might be 5,000. But if you're starting to see consistent numbers, consistently you're getting numbers or eggs detected, then it suggests that, yeah, it's time to proactively manage this. There are sometimes funds available for farmers to get free sampling, and I, again, would just check with your state extension pathologist or your soybean board to get more info on where you can send samples and if there's funding available.